Aloha everybody, Tracy here. How's it? How you doing? So today we have a very special lesson. I'm going to be talking a little bit about hula, and I'm going to be also introducing to you a very special friend of mine today. A little bit about hula. I'm not a historian, but the little bit about hula that I do know, I will share with you, and you can also Google it online. So hula was started, of course, in Hawaii. It's the dance that Hawaiians did. There's two types of hula. If you've ever watched The Merry Monarch, there's two categories that they usually use. It's the hula kahiko, which is the ancient hula, and the hula awana. The hula kahiko was a hula typically danced and done prior to the coming of the Westerners. And then the hula awana is more of a modern dance. It's more of a light-hearted, lighter type hula. It can be hapa haole, meaning, part Hawaiian. But the hula awana is the hula that happened after the coming of the Westerners. Okay, so hula kahiko and hula awana. E ho'opili mai hula maikai. Hula kahiko maikai. Hula awana maikai loa. Before I introduce to you a very special friend of mine, she's so special. I met her through my friend Roque, right over there behind the camera. Nah, I met her through my friend Roque, but I'm so glad to have met her. She danced for a couple of videos that I did. How Far I'll Go, the one by Alessia Cara and also our own Auli'i Carvalho. She danced that song for me. I entitled it E Kahikie. And then I also did another song that I translated with a friend of mine, Kaikoi Kelly. And that was the Beauty and the Beast song in Hawaiian, and we entitled it Huli Kana'au. I sang it with my really good friend Bryson. Shout out to Bryson Souza. Anyway, and so without further ado, I want to share with you and introduce to you my very good friend Mari Kapua Hayes.
Hi, aloha.
Hello, aloha, 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 aloha. That's good. So Mari, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Yes. So how did you come to love the hula?
I came to Hawaii with my title, Miss Japan Kimono.
Yeah.
And then I watched hula show. And then, oh my god, that was so cute. I want to start one, hula. And then I look for halal in Japan, and then I belong Big Halal.
Big halal.
Yes. And then I joined them, but it's kind of different from here. So I came here to learn hula, and also I went to Bible college. Then start, learning hula, and I was student at Bible college.
Okay.
Yes. And then after that, I got scouted by Atlantis Dina Cruz, and then gradually I went to professional way.
That's awesome. So the halau is a hula school, right?
Yes.
Yes. So halau, e ho'opili mai halau, and that's a hula school. So Mario, how long have you been dancing hula?
Oh my gosh, it's been a long time already. Like 20 years?
20 years. Mai kai. Actually, the real reason why I asked Mari to come today was because I heard about a project that she started for her dad and her brother. And can you share a little bit about your project?
Yes, it's called Angel Wing Project. And then after my father and brother died of cancer, I want to do something for, cancer society. And then I made paleo, actually. You bought for me.
I did. I bought my pareo, so
Yes.
she made these pareo.
Yes, so it's angel wing.
Angel wing pareo.
And then I have three colors.
3 colors.
Yes, pink, yellow, baby blue.
I'm gonna open it for you so you can see the angel wings.
Yes.
Here. Can you hold that
Actually,
side?
upside down.
Oh, upside down. Oh, hello. Iluna ilalo, upside down. So here's the angel wings.
Yes.
Anela.
And then I started selling November,
Mm-hmm.
and then I
wanna-
didn't. Yeah, I
You want to
didn't.
talk a
Make,
little bit about it?
yes, I didn't make that much,
Okay.
but I want to do something, and
Mhm.
then all the profit gonna go to American Cancer Society
Uh-huh.
and Japanese Cancer Society.
Okay. Awesome. So guys, if you want to know a little bit about her project that supports the American Cancer Society and also the Japanese Cancer Society, you can look down below the video and I'll put the links there for Mari's project here. Thank you so much. Now Mari, because you're such a beautiful and wonderful hula dancer and my Aloha, my friend, she's my friend, would you be okay dancing a song with me?
Yes, of course.
Awesome, thank you. So the song that she's gonna dance for me and with me, I'm gonna sing for you guys and she's gonna dance for you, okay? But we're gonna do a huli mako, okay? So thank you so much, Mari, for joining me and
Thank you.
we're gonna dance. Well, I'm not gonna dance, but I'm gonna sing and she's gonna dance for you. Thank you so much, Mari.
Thank
Aloha.
you.
Ahui ho.
Makakulima ame kokino aloha mai imua mako ko makakulima ame kokino Ihope mako ko makakulima ame ko